more topic, large of exponents of for real numbers. Now large of exponents for real numbers, large of exponents for real numbers. Some conditions are given. How can we use some formulas are here now? With the help of this we can find out. Suppose condition is given a to the power m into a to the power n. First condition, a to the power m into a to the power n. It means base are same and power are different now. So you can write like this equal to a to the power m plus n. Now if it is given a to the power m upon a to the power n, like this is given a to the power m upon a to the power n. So we can write this equal to a to the power m into a to the power minus n in this, minus n. So we can write this equal to a to the power m minus n, a to the power m minus n. Third is this, if a to the power m is given and whole to the power n is given, we can change this a to the power m into n. We can multiply power a to the power m into b to m to the power m. One more condition I'm taking. Fourth one, if a to the power m into b to the power m is given. Here power are same but base are different. So we can write this equal to a into b power m. It means ab power m with this. ab to the power m. One condition is this. So with the help of this we can write anything now. It is given now. You can do this. Some rules are this. And similarly a to the power m, a to the b to the power m, ab power m, you can write down. So on the basis of this four, a to the power m into a to the power n, a to the power m upon a to the power n, a to the power m whole to the power n, and this we can solve exercise 1.6. So now exercise 1.6. Now exercise 1.6. Exercise 1.6. You all can see. First question, find first one, 64 to the power, first part is 1 by 2, 64 to the power 1 by 2. Now 64 to the power 1 by 2, 64 is square of it, you can write 8 to the power 2 and whole to the power 1 by 2. And now if a to the power m whole to the power n equal to, we can write now a to the power 2 into 1 by 2, because we know that a to the power m and whole to the power n equal to a to the power mn plus 1. So you can 2 to multiply, 2 to cancel now, so you will get 8. 64 to whole to the power 1 by 2 equal to 8. Now also I'm taking one more part, third part is this, 32 to the power 1 by 5. Now class, you can write 32, now 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5 equal to 32. So now 2 to the power 5 into 1 by 5. Same, you can write 2 to the power 5 into 1 by 5. Same condition is this. So now 5 cancel, you will get 2 to the power 1 or equal to 2 is this. Same. Okay. So now you can do like this question. Now I'm taking another question, question number 2. Question number 2, you all can see. Question number 2, first part, given 9 to the power 3 by 2. 9 to the power 3 by 2. We will use same procedure in here. 9 is square of 3, 3 to the power 2 and whole to the power 3 by 2 is given. So this equal to 3 to the power 2 into 3 by 2. Same here you can use a to the power m and whole to the power n equal to a to the power m. So now 2 cancel. You will get here 3 to the power 3 left now. 3 to the power 3. So 3 to the power 3 equal to 27. 27 is your answer. Okay. Now taking one more part, fourth part of this. Given 125 to the power minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. 5 to the power minus 1 by 3. Now class, you can write 25 is cube of 5. 5 to the power 3 and whole to the power minus 1 by 3. So this equal to, you get 5 to the power 3 into minus 1 by 3. Again 3 cancel, you will get 5 to the power minus 1. And 5 to the power minus 1 equal to 1 by 5. Same method you are using here. 5 to the power minus 1 equal to 1 by 5. Okay. Now, you can use this and you can solve this. Now, third question. Third question you all can see. In third question, first part is given. First part, 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 5. 1 by 5. So you all know, we know that you can write, we know that a to the power m into a to the power m equal to a to the power m plus m. Into means plus order, you can write this one. So now 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 5 equal to 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. So here you can write 2 to the power 15 and 10 plus 3. So you will get 2 to the power 13 by 15. 13 by 15. Okay. Now similarly taking one more part of this, fourth part. Given 7 to the power 1 by 2 into 8 to the power 1 by 2 is given. So now you can see power are same but base are different. So we can write this like 7 into 8 to the power 1 by 2. Because you know a to the power m into b to the power m equal to ab to the power m. So we can write like 56 to the power 1 by 2.